realize that, what should I even get? Social media is disturbing us. Those people that is building their relationship on facts they see on social media, how far? When you meet somebody that is caring, but his own part of caring is money, you now go out, you now see somebody that is caring to his partner outside by buying flowers. Instead of saying the insurance is far, the person is spreading it and the person displaying it in public. You now go home and you start disturbing your own and say, maybe you don't love me, I'm going to end this.